Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello.
Alright, so today we were surprised by a package that we got in the mail. And the reason why, as you can see, it is already opened up, is because we weren't quite sure what it was. When it arrived, it had some Chinese writing on it. So let's see, you might be able to see a little bit there, and here, and down here. All right. And I realized that that was upside down, but anyway, so we weren't quite certain what it was, but then when we opened it up, we found out, oh my gosh, that's the garment rack that we ordered over a month ago.
Yeah.
We've been waiting on this forever, and it finally, it took so long to get here from Amazon. Well, obviously it came from a third party in Amazon, but it took so long to get here, we forgot we even ordered it. Okay, so that's why when it showed up, we're like, what the heck is this? And we opened it up and it's like, oh, hey, that's our garment rack. So what's gonna wind up happening here is Rocey's gonna try and put this together while I film it, and we're gonna see just how good that goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah. But so before we do that, you wanna take everybody for a walk through the garage here, and let's check on the quail and the plants and see how they're doing. Okay?
Yeah, today we have our fourth. This is the fourth one. Blue quail eggs.
Well, show it to us.
Go on. And here we go. And it's very shiny.
I love the fact that there's hardly any spots on it whatsoever, you know, brown spots. It's really just a blue egg. Yeah. I know I've said that on so many videos. I just can't say enough about how I didn't expect these Celadon quail eggs to be that clean. You know, they really look good. So,
and we got more.
What do we got up top here?
Quail eggs, the giant. You know, I've noticed those girls here on the side, they have the same size.
They've grown up. I think that the one that's in that side is just older, and it took a while for the rest of them to catch up. Yeah. So hopefully these Celadon quail, once they get to be about 8 months to a year old, will start laying a larger egg as well.
Oh yes.
They're young, so that's probably why they're laying a smaller egg. Yeah, and it's not a lot smaller, but it's definitely a little bit smaller there. So, all right. So why don't you put those down and walk us through the plants?
All right. Let me show you my fantastic bok choy.
Okay.
There we go. Started here, and this is the last bok choy I transplanted. But and look at the leaves of this.
Yeah, that's as big as your hand, isn't it?
Oh my god! Yeah,
of course, it doesn't hurt that you got a small hand. Put your hand up next to mine. Hang on, let me get on the other side of this. So that's the difference in size of our hands. So that's not a. Got it. Okay.
And our basil. Look at this. But my friend is coming this Saturday, and we're going to harvest our bok choy Friday night, so that on Saturday morning it will be ready when they come over. Okay. And I'll give them some of my basil also.
Oh, so they can transplant them?
Yeah, because I got a lot of basil. The reason why I planted a lot, so that I can share it with my friends, you know, friends that when times you need them, they're there for you.
Right, because when we had COVID, we had people who just showed up to offer assistance. Which,
food.
Yeah, those are the friends you want to take care of, because they're the ones that take care of you during times of need. So, All right, well, let's come over here and look at the rest of these. What else do we have?
We have, of course, to show you guys this watercress. And they're looking so good.
They are. You just flopped them in there a couple of days ago, and now they've already gotten bigger.
Yes.
So, all right.
You can really tell. And also my tomatoes.
Yeah, the tomatoes you transplanted. They were a little wilty for a day, but now it looks like they've come out of that, and they're really looking good. That one's looking really good. Okay.
And
all right. And then up here, this bok choy that you have is just really big.
Yes.
I mean, considering how young they are, I'm amazed at how fast that bok choy grows. So
yeah, and I think I need to water them this side.
Okay.
Kind of dry.
All right.
And also here.
And we have more up here. My goodness. Got some bugs flying around.
Mosquito.
I know. It's January, last week of January, and you have bugs flying around in here.
Yeah.
All right, and what else have we got here? We got tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Oh.
Some more that we transplanted previous.
This is from the miracle tree.
Yeah.
Is it normal?
Well, we only transplanted that just a couple days ago. It's going to take a little bit for it to.
It's getting dry.
It'll be okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, it's just going to take it a little bit to acclimate to its new pot here. You know,
Okay.
I mean, it shipped from several states away and in the middle of winter, and then got stuck in a bigger pot. So, and your calamansi tree,
Yes.
and as you can see here, if you can see here, we definitely have some small calamansis on there, and here we have some. And there's one there, and there's a couple of them in here, and there's more elsewhere. So it's got quite a few on it.
Yep.
All right. So the plants are doing great. So now,
Let's start with this.
now comes the time. Are you ready?
I am.
All right. Let me give you the most dangerous. Hey, so my coworker just sharpened this, so be careful.
Oh, really?
Don't cut yourself. It's very sharp.
All right. Make me nervous right now.
You're fine. Don't cut yourself.
All right. I'm expecting that there's the tools in here to tie it up.
If not, we got tools.
Yeah.
So okay.
All right. Start this one.
Let's do it. See, I told you that knife was sharp and you're having trouble cutting tape. There we go.
All right, the other side.
All right. Just go ahead and pull all the parts out and set them over here in front of me.
Come on. Oh, we got wheels.
Well, we got wheels and screws. So what else is in here?
These are, I think, the braces.
Okay.
I like it.
Uh-oh, I hear a coil.
Let's move the trash here. And, oh my god, it's so shiny.
Did they give you some instructions?
I hope so. Okay, these are the
Yeah, for the other side.
here. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go.
Hey, there we go. We've got instructions.
All right.
Everybody's going to start asking on these videos, how come you do all the work and all I do is film?
Because I'm better than.
No, that's not it. Or maybe it is.
Well, I have to learn everything. So I want to do this.
Well, your name's on the channel, not mine, so this is all about you.
That is true. All right. This thing needs to wipe.
Well, I tell you what, as long as it took to get this, I hope we have all the pieces and nothing's broken.
I hope so, but it looks like everything's here. And they got numbers. Oh, this number 1.
Well, that'll help when it comes to reading the instructions. Hopefully the instructions are in English and not written in the same letters that are on the outside of the box.
Oh boy. Well, let's figure it out. Let's just take a look on the, what you call this? It doesn't look the
Well,
same.
you can read Chinese, can't you?
No.
Is that everything? All right, and today was trash day, so you gotta wait a whole nother week to be able to get rid of that box.
Yep, it's alright. They don't stink. Anyway.
Exactly, it's not yucky trash.
Yeah.
It's just clutter.
Alrighty, get it. Jiffy Chinese.
All right, so what do the instructions say?
what's in here is...
Is it? Let me see. Let me see. Here's our instructions.
Oh my good lord! But I can follow the.
Okay, good thing you can follow the picture because I can't read that for you. All right, so fortunately over here though it's all in drawings, so we'll be able to we'll be able to get this done.
Where's number 1?
All right, so first things first, did they give you a tool?
Yes.
Inside there, it looks like there's an Allen wrench in there.
Yes.
So go ahead and open up your, was it dowels and screws?
I don't know what it called.
Yeah, it looks like wooden dowels and a couple sizes of screws. So.
Yeah.
And an Allen wrench. Okay.
Okay, where is... Okay, this is number 1. No, this is number 1. Okay. So first, let's do this. Put this. Okay, number 3. Good. I grabbed
You grabbed the right one starting out, huh? Okay.
Alright. So the big holes is the wood.
Okay.
So the letter D, the wood.
And eventually we probably want to put wood glue on those to glue them together, but I don't think we have any right now. I didn't know we were going to need it. So
yeah, we don't have it.
Yeah, we'll just put it together without the glue, and if it gets wobbly,
and then
I'll get some glue and we'll redo it.
Where's the number 6? To the end of number 6.
Like that? All right, and those are Allen wrench? Okay.
I can hear it.
My, yeah, it's windy outside.
All right. We're just assuming here.
We're gonna get you a job working at the furniture factory.
All right, we're done putting these 2 pieces together, and we're going to put this kind of wood at the other side of
the wooden dowel.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, this one, this side, both sides. I think I have to.
Yeah, it's both sides.
All right.
All right.
So I still have 2 of this that need to be. They don't make holes properly.
Yeah, I think this was mass produced. I'm just hoping it holds together good for you. Here's your Allen wrench.
Okay. Oh, I know already what to do. There. Wait there. There.
There. Now I can hold this for you. There we go. See? You got this.
Hold on. Oh. Sure, there you go. I need to flip it.
Okay, flip it. I can see where that'd make it a lot easier having it flipped over like that.
Yeah.
Got your working face on right there, all serious.
I'm trying to make it sure this is right.
All right, so we got it together. Time to screw it in.
There you go. Oh, that's so smooth.
All right, so how many pieces of furniture have you had to put together in your life?
Wait, first, well, sometimes I put the crib. Yes,
That is true.
I
That
did
is
that
true.
one time.
Yeah, I think that's a little better quality than this garment rack is, though.
Yes. But it shows on the picture. It's really nice. It's just like perfect.
Oh, this will be okay once we get it put together here. It's just...
It's challenging.
Hon, it's a challenge you can overcome. I have faith in you. You
I'm
can do it.
almost.
You can do anything you put your mind to.
Oh yeah. Are we in?
We're there. I can see it going in there, so.
We get the base and the sides put up together. Now it's time for us to put the wheels.
Okay.
Alright, how are these things?
Yeah, they should just pop right in. Just push.
I think I'm not strong enough.
Well, if you can't get it, just let me know and I'll push them in. This one here is just...
Maybe it's the wrong side.
That's good.
That one has a lock and...
Yeah, one has a lock and one doesn't, but they're the same size, so
Okay.
that shouldn't make a difference. All right.
We're almost done.
No, I want the lock on this side.
See? You're stronger than I am.
That helps. All right. Good.
That's better.
Let me have the camera back and we'll let you get back at it.
Alright.
All right, so now we're going to put this round dowel in there. So
What do we need to use? Liver.
all right. Good job, huh? Now on the other side. No, you're right the other way. Yep, keep going that way.
It's confusing sometimes.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, so now we're going to put the top on, and that means you need to get on your ladder, your purple ladder. should sit right on top of these wooden dowels.
That's perfect.
Yeah. If you can, yeah, there we go. Nice. Go ahead and screw that on.
The right spot.
Did you find it? All right.
Yeah.
You know, this seems a little sturdier than I originally thought once you get all the screws put in.
Oh yeah.
It's
when they're not.
yeah, I was kind of questioning how sturdy it was going to be, but I think it's going to be okay.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay. Let's check you out next to your garment rack. Woo! All right. Fantastic. It looks good. We still have these little wooden pieces that go in the corners down here. They're going to go in there like this. I'm going to have to go get the cordless drill and screw those in. We've got the screws right there, so that's all we have left to do. I think that's good enough. We can go ahead and call it a day. And it's not solid, but it's much more sturdy than what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
So, all right. So now you have a garment rack.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Happy.
Happy. Okay.
Because I have place to put the clothes that I've ironed.
Right.
I just like, where am I going to hang
Exactly.
this?
So this way, yeah, because we don't have anything. Well, now you do. You've got something. So, okay.
And it's easy to transfer them.
Yep. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
And see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our video.
All right. Take care.
Good night.
We'll see you soon.